In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change crew logo in Blox Fruits Mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. When you are playing as a pirate, you will be able to change the crew logo for your crew when you tap on this little pirate icon. So tap on this icon at the left and you will find the options to manage your crew or create a new one. So as you can see in here, you can include the name of the crew. You can do whatever you'd like. And then on the logo link, this is where you have to paste the link for the logo. You can get this link by going over to the Roblox creator website, and in there you will be able to find the option to upload a logo. As you can see, they have and in the description here, how to make a logo in the Roblox website. Go to create, decals, and upload the image that you want. After doing so, paste the link in the text box above. Alternatively, you can find existing images in the creator marketplace, and there's an example of a logo. So all that you have to do is paste the link here. If you are unsure on how to get this link, like I said, go over to the Roblox creator marketplace. So as you can see through a web browser, you just have to go over to create.roblox.com, and in here you will be able to browse through decals. So you just have to get any of these and you will be able to use them as the logo for your crew. Of course, you can upload your own ones. As long as you are signed into your account, you will be able to create these. So when you find one that satisfies you, just tap on it, and in here you will be able to tap get decal, or rather you can copy the link. By copying the link of this decal, you will be able to go back inside of Blox Fruits and you will be able to paste the link in there. If you would like to create one, you will have to go over to the Creator Hub dashboard and get instructions from here, but basically you can do your own creations as you can see, including the option to make some decals that you can use as the crew logo. I hope I was able to help you on how to change crew logo in Blox Fruits Mobile. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.